You must be rich to drink here.
Sorry?
You must be rich to drink here.
No, I don't think so. Because we have a lot of nice prices, I think.
Look, the God confirm.
We have also the house wines and
Oh, good price. Paradise Rose. Eclair Mojito. Here is like all the bars they bring here in this market, and they open the smallest place, no?
yes.
So here is everybody have another bar.
Yes, all different restaurants.
Different restaurant. It's only for restaurant, no?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
that's the bars.
But this is the